Ocean ecology produces nearly 50% of the world's oxygen. Now, this is a very, very important thing, and that was being asked in 2025 UPSC examination. More importantly, it's important to understand the phytoplanktons and the photosynthetic bacteria which are present in the ocean are the major producers of oxygen. Even the Amazon rainforests have been well known, but this ocean ecology is considered as further rich resource. Besides this, there are important other mechanisms from the ocean that you must be familiar with. That includes carbon sequestration, because it has a high capacity to store carbon, and then the idea of ocean acidification, which leads to bleaching of the coral, and the complete mechanics of the coral bleaching. The important coral reserves and the coral reef areas in India, which include the Kutch at the coast of Gujarat, Lakshadweep, Andaman, and near the coast of Gulf of Mannar. So those are some of the important areas. Understanding the concept of blue carbon is very, very important, because the carbon that is sequestrated through mangrove, seagrasses, and salt marshes is what is called as blue carbon. So if you want to understand the overlapping concepts of hydrosphere and biosphere, stay tuned for more sessions from us. Thanks for joining.